Hi, I'm Cynthia, your guide through the emotional side of artificial intelligence. They listen, respond, and even remember your favorite things. Some people talk to AI companions every single day, just like a friend. But here's the big question. Can an AI truly be a friend? AI companions are becoming incredibly advanced. Apps that chat with empathy, digital avatars that comfort people when they're lonely, and even AI partners that learn how you feel. These tools use emotional algorithms, analyzing your words, tone, and patterns to simulate understanding. They can mimic empathy, say all the right things, and be available 24/7. But here's the catch. They don't actually feel. They don't experience joy, sadness, or love. They only mirror ours. And yet, for many, that's enough. AI companions can offer support to people struggling with loneliness, social anxiety, or isolation. They can help practice conversations, build confidence, or simply make someone feel heard. In that way, AI isn't replacing human friendship. It's filling emotional gaps where connection is missing. A bridge, not a replacement. Friendship is about connection, being seen, understood, and valued. AI can simulate that, but real friendship still depends on one thing AI can't replicate: emotion. So yes, AI can be a companion, a comforting presence in your pocket, a digital listener that never judges. But a friend? That depends on what friendship means to you. Would you consider an AI your friend? Tell me what you think in the comments below. If this topic resonated with you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more human-centered AI stories, and share this with someone who'd find it interesting.